Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner for our English lesson. Now to preface this or to add a little bit more work that you can do in the house, you can go into Anton and do these lessons yourself. And if you wanted to practice numbers, you could come into English Language Development Level 1 and practice the number section before you watch this video. We are going to start on the questions of working with how many. So already practiced numbers, we are going into how many. Let's get started.
How many chairs are there?
1 chair, 2, 3.
There are 3 chairs.
How many chairs? I see 1 chair, but this is asking how many chairs are there?
How many chairs are there?
I see 1 chair. There is 1 chair.
There is 1 chair.
There is 1 chair.
There is 1 chair.
How many chairs are there?
How many?
There are 3 chairs.
3 chairs.
How many chairs are there? There is 1 chair. There are 2 chairs. There are 5 chairs. There are no chairs.
So what we're looking at is when there is 1 chair or 1 item, it is. There is 1. How many chairs? Plural. Multiple. How many chairs are there? Are 2 chairs. So every time we see the S, the chairs, we're going to use the are because it's plural. More than 1.
How many peas are in the word apple?
There are 2 P's. 1, 2.
There are 2 P's in the word apple.
How many N's are in the word pencil? There is 1 N.
How many N's are in the word pencil?
There is 1 N in the word pencil.
How many N's are in the word? There is 1 N in the word.
Is 1, so quantity, how many or how much. 1 is, so what we use is for 1.
There are 2 N's in the word.
Are for multiple. 2 are 2.
There are 5 N's in the word.
Still multiple are 5.
There are no N's in the word.
Are no N's, so that's still plural. These are plural. This is singular.
How many students are there?
I see 1, 2, 3.
There are 3 students. How many students are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There are 10 students. How many students are there?
Just 1.
There is 1 student. How many students are there?
I don't see any students. I see a desk, or 2 desks and 2 chairs and 2 backpacks, but no students, so 0.
There are no students. How many books are there?
1
There is 1 book.
in her hand.
How many books are there?
1, 2.
There are 2 books. How many books are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
There are 9 books. How many books are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There are 5 books. How many E's are in the word apple?
E's, 1 E.
There is 1 E in the word apple.
So like in our practice, is 1 E. The E is singular in this, so it's is.
How many E's are in the word 11?
There are 1, 2, 3 E's.
There are 3 E's in the
Are.
word 11.
Because the E's is plural.
How many E's are in the word backpack?
I don't see any E's.
There are no E's in the word backpack.
Are no E's. The E is plural.
How many E's are in the word eye?
2.
There are 2 E's in the word eye.
And there are 3 apples.
There are 3 apples.
There is 1 apple, is singular.
There is 1 apple.
There is 1 pencil.
There is 1 pencil.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils.
There are 5 pencils.
There is 1 E.
There is 1 E in the word apple.
And that, I think, is going to close out our practice with this. So we're practicing the how to ask how many. So how many are there? And we worked on our numbers practice. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. This was our English practice. Thank you for joining me. And if you benefited, please like and subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.